Good afternoon class. Today we are going to discuss about energy level diagram for molecular orbitals. Students, earlier we have seen that how atomic orbitals combine to form molecular orbitals, and we have also seen about the formation of molecular orbital through linear combination of atomic orbitals, that is LCAO. Okay, where we have seen the conditions for the formation of atomic orbitals, conditions for the combination of atomic orbital resulting in formation of molecular orbital. And students, we have also seen about the type of molecular orbital, where we have seen that there are basically two type of molecular orbital. One is sigma molecular orbital. If it is bonding, it is known as sigma. If it is anti-bonding, it is known as sigma star. Okay, and there is the second type of molecular orbital, that is pi molecular orbital. So when it is in bonding state, it is called pi molecular orbital, and when it is in anti-bonding state, it is called as pi star. Okay, now students, let us see what are energy level diagram for molecular orbitals. So students, as we have seen that 1s atomic orbitals of two atoms form two molecular orbital, which are designated as sigma 1s and sigma star 1s. स्टूडेंट्स, इससे पहले हमने देखा था कि अगर हम दो हाइड्रोजन एटम्स जिनके की एटॉमिक ऑर्बिटल 1s1 1s1 है, इन्हें जब हम कंबाइन करते हैं, सो वी हैव सीन, सपोज दिस इज 1s and this is 1s of another hydrogen, and students, they have half filled electron, one electron is there in each. Now they both are combining to form two molecular orbital. So let me change the color. These are the two molecular orbital. This is sigma, this is called as bonding molecular orbital. This is sigma star, this is called as anti-bonding molecular orbital. And students, here I am not telling about the energy, because energy level basically means here you have to draw energy, okay, which indicate that this sigma, which is bonding molecular orbital, has lower energy, and sigma star, which is anti-bonding molecular orbital, has higher energy. And how these electrons are paired up, we have seen that these are filled up having Aufbau principle, following Aufbau principle. So both the two electrons will firstly come into the bonding molecular orbital. Okay, so this is the energy level diagram for molecular orbital. We are taking the example of H2 atom. Okay, or you can say that we are taking the combination of 1s atomic orbital of two atoms. Okay, now students, in the same manner, 2s and 2p atomic orbitals give rise to 8 molecular orbitals. What this mean? Let us see. Suppose this is the energy level diagram, and here is the 1s orbital. So this 1s combine with 1s of other atom, and it form two molecular orbitals. Similarly, the 3p, suppose this is 2p orbital, px, py, pz of two atom, they combine together to give 6 molecular orbital. Okay, so overall students, you can see that talking about molecular orbitals, so they are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 in number. This I want to represent to you. So when suppose 2s and 2p atomic orbitals are combining, it result in formation of 8 molecular orbitals. Okay. Students, you can see in this diagram here, this is the energy level diagram. So suppose we are talking about 2px. So 2px combined with 2px and it result in formation of 2px bonding and 2px anti-bonding, or basically we can say that pi 2px bonding and pi 2px anti-bonding. Similarly, students, for 2pz, as earlier also I have told you that here sigma bond is formed. So molecular orbital which is of lower energy will be sigma 2pz, and which is of higher energy is called sigma star 2pz, or anti-bonding sigma 2pz. Okay. Now students, here you can see how these can be named. So for bonding molecular orbitals will be sigma 2s, sigma 2px, sigma 2pz, pi 2px and pi 2py. Okay. And anti-bonding molecular orbitals will be sigma star 2s, sigma star 2pz, pi star 2px and pi star 2py. So in your exam it may be asked that give the electronic configuration of molecular orbitals. Okay. So for electronic configuration you have to write in this manner. Okay. Now students, the energy level of these molecular orbitals have been determined experimentally from spectroscopic data for homonuclear diatomic molecules of second row element of the periodic table. Okay. The increasing order of energies of various molecular orbitals for O2 and F2 is in this manner. That is, there will be exception for some. Likewise, in case of oxygen, you will see that there will be order will be changed, like sigma 1s, then sigma star 1s, then sigma 2s, then sigma star 2s. After that, sigma 2pz, then pi 2px and pi 2py will be equal. After that, pi 2px, pi star 2px and pi star 2py, then it will be sigma star 2pz. What I am saying is, students, you can look here. Suppose this is the energy level diagram for O2. Okay, molecular orbitals of O2. So students, for O2 you can assume for 1s it will be same, for 2s it will be same. That is, for 1s, if we are going to talk about 1s will combine with 1s of O2 and it will result in formation of sigma 1s and sigma star 1s. Okay. Now students, the 2s will combine with 2s of oxygen and it result in formation of sigma 2s and sigma star 2s. After this, students, talking about the p orbital for the same atom, that is O2 molecule. For p orbital, you can see here 2p of one oxygen atom and 2p of another oxygen atom combined together, and here there will be a change. That is, for bonding molecular orbital, the sigma 2pz. Okay, let me draw it clearly. For bonding molecular orbital, sigma 2pz will be of lower energy. So sigma 2pz will be here and the 2px and 2py will form pi molecular orbital. So this is sigma 2pz and this is pi 2px and this is pi 2py. Okay, and after this, students, here the order will be changed, that is here pi star 2px and pi star 2py is there, and here will be sigma 2pz. Okay, now when we are going to fill the electrons, so as you all know, for oxygen it is 1s2, 2s2 and 2p4. So there are 1, 2, 3 and 4. Here also 1, 2, 3 and 4 electrons. So for filling you will start from the lower energy level. So here will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 electron will be filled here, and 1 each for pi star 2px and pi star 2py. Okay. So this is how the electrons or electronic configuration of atoms can be given. Now students, you can see here is case for oxygen. Okay, and this sequence of energy level of molecular orbital is not correct for the remaining molecule. Okay, that means students, for O2 and F2 only the structure will be follow, which I have told you, but for other atoms the energy level will be different. That is, you can see here pi 2px and pi 2py will of lower energy and sigma 2pz will of higher energy. So I am directly drawing about only p orbital. So suppose this is for combination of p atomic orbital. So here what will happen, pi 2px and pi 2py have lower energy, then comes the sigma 2pz. Okay, and similarly students, for anti-bonding molecular orbital, pi 2px and pi 2py will be have lower energy, and sigma 2pz will have higher energy. So this structure will be for all elements except oxygen and fluorine. Okay, you have to understood this electronic configuration of all element, and this electronic configuration belong to oxygen and fluorine. Okay, now students, we will discuss separately about each in our next lecture, because as video more than 11 to 12 minutes are not sending right now, so we will discuss this in later. But students, try to practice and learn these electronic configuration which is given here. This belong to all the element except oxygen and fluorine. This is for O2 and F2, and this is for other elements other than O2 and F2. Okay, so this is all about today's lecture. Thank you class.